Noises everywhere. I bet there isn't a place on earth where you can't hear anything. I live in the city, not so noise is everywhere. Sometimes it gets to me. I really want to have a button to turn it off. It's amazing how much noise is resists around us. We usually never even think about it. Listen now to the noise around you. Car, computer, music, people talking. It's strange to think that in the past few decades, people have been talking about noise pollution. That's really good description. Noise is quite often pollution. It's stuff that makes our surrounding unpleasant. I wonder if there is any kind of noise that is good noise. The very word noise has a negative meaning, but if you say so, it has a different meaning. I love the sound of the baby laughing.